I came across this Duracraft table fan in the closet earlier and realized that after I bought it, I never did clean and service it. So I went ahead and did that. And I've already made a video on this one. I don't think I was very nice about it, mostly because it really didn't move a lot of air and it was really noisy. But I noticed that after I cleaned it, the air movement actually did improve. It's still not very good, but it did improve. And I don't know, maybe I'm just trying too hard to like this fan because I think it's kind of a cool fan. Even though it is kind of a dumb fan, it's kind of a terrible design actually. There are things about it that I do like. I mainly just don't really like this push and turn child-proof button, and the fact that the guard seems to limit the airflow about 50%. I turned the fan on when I had the guard off, and yeah, I mean, it reduces the airflow by 40 or 50%. I mean, throwing out numbers there that I have no way to measure, but I'm just guessing. About half the airflow is restricted just by this stupid guard. Oddly enough, they continued making something like this under the Honeywell name after Duracraft was no more, but I don't think that they used this knob. I think this was short-lived. I think the Honeywell fans had the knob on the back. So this is model DT-50, and the date's on the bottom. I would read that as March 5th, 1997. It also had these like Velcro strips. I don't know if that's finished the way that is there, or if there was like something else that you were supposed to add to that, like another piece that glued on there, or I really don't know. Yeah, I mean, the fan moves a little more air than it did before cleaning, but it's still not very good. The low speed is nice though. This would almost make a really good bedside fan because the low has a really calm breeze coming out of it, and it has like a really nice fan noise that's not too noisy. It's just noisy enough. So I guess we'll start with the low speed. You gotta kind of pin this thing down, turn this. There's high, medium, low. So it just has kind of a nice, you know, sleepy time fan noise, and a really gentle breeze coming out of it. Pretty much just enough to feel it. I've got my 6-inch desk fan standardized test here, where theory is if your 6-inch fan can straighten this out, then I think you got a pretty good 6-inch fan. This I think is an 8-inch or 10. This might be 10 inches. I don't know. I don't remember what it's supposed to be. It might be 10, but we'll see what the low speed looks like. Yeah, not very good. That's why I say it would almost make a really good bedside fan, because it's not going to freeze you out. I don't think that this is going to wake you up in the middle of the night where you got to turn it off. I think this is pretty much the only thing that I would use this fan for. I'll go to the medium. So the blade picks up speed and it gets noisier, but I don't really think that it moves much more air. We'll see. It's a little more. I mean, I think it's a 10-inch fan, and it's still not passing the test for the 6-inch desk fans. So that gives you any indication. A 10-inch blade on this can't keep up with some of the better 6-inch fans. The fan has a really good spin down time though. Pretty incredible actually for what this is. I'm trying to get this to go to the high speed and I'm kind of having a hard time. So it's almost as good as a really good 6-inch fan, which for a 10-inch blade is not very good. It's okay though. See, the spin down's like, I timed it earlier. It was like 20 seconds right on the button, which is pretty incredible for something like this. I'm curious. I'm almost positive that's a 10-inch blade. Doesn't really say. I'm pretty sure it's 10 though. Yeah, it's kind of a cool fan though. It's just, I don't know. I like the older Duracraft fans and I kind of like this color. It's a unique fan. I think these are kind of hard to find. So I'll probably hang on to it for that reason, but I don't know. I might put it in the bedroom, use it on the low speed. I think it'd be pretty good for that. Pretty cool fan. Just kind of a dumb design. But yeah, that's Duracraft DT-50 from '97. Thanks for watching.